Hey, this is Shubham, and so in this video we would learn about how to install Java, where we can download the Java, and how to set the path. Hey, today we would learn something new. Let's begin. As many of us know that Java truly supports OOPS. What is OOPS? Object-oriented programming, which is done in the C++. It consists of polymorphism, method overloading, and etc. Which means it consists of the programs similar to OOPS programs. Means like OOPS programming contains the features like polymorphism and inheritance. So in Java programming we can use those programs. So but very few know about how to set the path in order to compile and run Java programs in command prompt. Now what is the setting the path? Means we have to set the location of the Java software which we have installed. Okay, yeah, Java programs in command prompt. Anyways, yes, I would surely show you how to set the path and what is this for. So in this video we would learn to set the path, but before that I would answer the questions which are below. So first question is, okay, if we haven't installed Java, what type of error message we see while we compile an Java program? Means we haven't downloaded or installed any Java software like JDK 8 or JDK 7 in our PC. Then we normally wrote a program in Notepad and we opened a command prompt and we typed the Java C. We tried to compile the program. So what type of error message we would see on our screen? So I would surely show you what type of error message we would get. Yeah, these are the opening of multi-line comments and this is the closing of multi-line comments. So starting with the first question, like if we haven't installed the Java, what type of error message we would see while compiling a Java program? Let's write a small program to display a greet message according to the marks obtained by the student. Yeah, this is just a normal program, okay? And yeah, let's see. Starting with it, so class Dragu. So class Dragu is the class name, okay? Yeah, and this opening of curly brace, which means curly brace opened of class Dragu. And moving on, yes, this is public static void main string args, which is the main method, and execution of the program always starts from the main method. Then curly brace opened of the main method. Then we wrote int a is equal to integer parse int args and 0, which is the input statement. Then we use switch case, switch a, which implies switching the value of a. Now curly brace is opened of the switch case. Then we wrote case 0. Case 0, in that we would write system.out.println poor, means poor performance, poor grade. Yeah, print statement and break statement is used to stop or break the execution of the program after getting the output. Okay, then case 1, case 2, case 3 are same like the case 0, and we come to default. Default statement is used when the above three cases are not satisfied, and this is the default or last statement, so it does not contain any break. And then we closed the curly braces of switch case. Then we closed the curly brace of the main method. Then we closed the curly brace of the class Drago. Now, without installing and downloading JDK, Java Development Kit, we would compile and check the error message. Let's save it first. Now let's open command prompt cmd. Okay, so yeah, location is track Java C. Okay, so this type of the error message we get. Okay, so as you can see the error message, so it is wrote Java C doesn't support like external or internal command. Now and something about a batch file it has been wrote. So whenever such type of error message is displayed on the screen, so that means the Java hasn't been installed on that PC, or there is no path set. So without installing and downloading JDK Java Development Kit, we would compile and check the error message as I shown you. So hope you guys saw what was the error message. Okay, so hope you guys saw the error message when we compile without installing Java software. Okay, so let's see once again. Let's save it first, then cmd command prompt, open it, let's process again. E colon, this E is nothing but the drive, local drive, where we have been saved our file. Okay, and this cd is nothing but the command, and the NSE is my folder in which I have stored. So Java C is used to compile. Okay, so I wrote Java C and then file name is b2.java. So Java C b2.java, and this is the error message we get on our screen because the path is not set. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. Okay, so this is the error message. So this is the answer for the first question. Okay, Okay, this brings us to the next question. So let's see. As we got the error message, so first question is done. So now heading back to the question number 2. What is the recommended version of Java? Look, according to me, JDK 8 is free and better. So I recommend this version. So search on Google, type JDK 8 for Windows. Now whatever, I don't know, Windows 7 or 8, whatever you are using, okay, so you can type there JDK 8 for Windows 7 or JDK 8 for Windows 8, okay, and download and install it. Okay, and yeah, we completed second question, and this brings us to the next question, means third question. So let's see. So third question is, from where can we download Java software for Windows XP 7, 8, yeah, whatever you people are using, okay? So I'm using Windows 7, okay? So I would answer, search on Google, type JDK 8 for Windows and download and install it. Wait, I would show you a demo. I'm opening my browser, then I'm typing JDK 8 for Windows. Now you can see various results have been shown, like for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10.1. So I select Windows 7 because yeah, my PC has Windows 7. So okay, so we can see various results, no, variety of results we can see, and choose any one. My PC consists of the Windows 7, which is of 32-bit, so I would choose this. Okay, so this site has been opened, okay, file horse, okay, yeah, you too can go on this site and download the Java development kit. So yeah, as it is wrote Java development kit for 32-bit Windows 7, which is of the latest version, so I clicked on it, free download, thank you for destination. Now they are asking for where we have to download it, so I choose local disk E, done. So it has been started, download has been started. No matter how much the file is large, but we have to download and install it in order to compile and run our programs in a good manner. It will hardly take 15 minutes to get downloaded, okay? So after it has been downloaded, so we can see like this dialog box. We would click next. So this is one another dialog box appearing after that window, okay? So here too something installation process is going on, so just have patience, it would get installed. soon. Okay, so after this process they are telling us to click on the next steps, the further steps. So I clicked on it. Okay, this window is not of our use, so we close it. Okay, but our process, our installation is done, is complete. So let's close it. Okay, so we installed Java, and now let's compile it again. Then we shall see how to set the path. So let's see the error message again, and then we may set the path. So let's compile it again. So I'm using the magnifier. Okay, Java C b2.java. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Now though we have installed or downloaded the Java JDK 8 software, but still they are showing that message, which means we haven't set the path yet. So let's set the path now. So let's minimize it. I would open my computer, then local disk C, program files, then Java, then JDK 8. Click on it, then open the bin folder, and then click on the memory location, that yeah, then copy this is the file location, okay, which we have copied right now. So let's then properties, then advanced system setting, then environment variables, click on it, then in system variables search for the word path, path. Okay, so we got it, path, and then we have to edit it. Now what we have to edit, I would tell you. Okay, so this type of link we can see. So just put there a semicolon, a semicolon, and after the semicolon just paste the file location which we copied earlier. Okay, then press OK. OK, again OK. Okay, so we have successfully set the path. Okay, so now this is somewhat confusing and big type of program. So I would edit this program to a simple program, like let's change it. Okay, so I have a program. Okay, we would see the program for the switch case, which would be the easy program.
Let's cancel it. Okay, so starting with the program, import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, so whenever uh, we have to give, we have asked to give any input. Okay, so like enter value of a, like enter the marks of the java, like this. So we have, whenever we have to pass some input, we have to write the scanner statement. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So whenever we use this scanner sc, okay, statement, that time we have to write the header file, yeah, like called as the import java dot util dot scanner, then semicolon. Then we write the normal class b2, then we b2 is the class name, while then public static void main string args, which is the main method. Then we declared a variable a as integer type. Then we wrote scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, which would accept our input from the user. Then we wrote a is equal to sc dot next. Okay, so whatever we would input, the value would be stored in the a. And then we wrote a switch case, we use the switch case. Okay, switch a, now which means switching the value of a, means if the user input 1, okay, then switch 1. What is the uh, uh, case 1? Case 1 would be printed, like 1 would be printed. Same for the other two cases. And then if the we write default case when the above three cases are not satisfied, and it does not contain any break statement. So let's compile it. I use the magnifying glass. So first I would write the my local drive e, where the file I have been saved. Then cd is nothing but a command, and nsc is nothing but the folder in which, and nsc is the folder in the local drive e, where I have been saved my file java b2.java, and here I compiled it java c b2.java. Then I interpret, or you can say run, by using by typing java b2. Then he's asked it is asking from the input, like enter the value of a. I wrote 5, invalid number. Yeah, java b2 enter, yeah, I wrote 2, then it is showing 2, enter value of 2, 4, yeah, 4. So in this way we got the input, and we successfully set the path, and so we got the output too. So hope you saw the output and followed the steps how I did. So let's okay, so hope you exactly did the same and set the path. So lastly we would compile and run the program as we did. So we would save it again, then as we save it again. So let's use command prompt as we did. And so hope this video helped you. If you have any queries or doubts about this video, or how to set the path if you have not followed, so do repeat this video again. Okay, and after watching the video too, if you have any doubts, so you can comment in the comment section. And yeah, do like the video too, and share my video too, so that it would help many of the people. And if you like it, so do subscribe in order to get notified with my future uploads. Thank you. Anyways, again, thanks for watching the video. Do like the video, comment your opinions and doubts, share this video, subscribe the channel.